In this lecture, we will discuss various logical instructions that are being used for PLC programming. First, we start with the logic gates. Suppose we want to represent any AND gate. So, for representing any AND gate, you have two inputs and one output. So, these are two input symbols, and this is one output. Output symbol is to represent the one output. So, in that case, we will connect both the inputs in series. So, on a ladder diagram, contacts in the horizontal range are connected in series to represent logical AND operations. So, here we can say this is input A and this is output B, and input B and this is output C. So, these inputs will represent the AND gate logic operation for PLC operation. We know in AND gate, if we have two inputs, we will be having different combination of inputs. It will be 0 0. In that case, your output will be 0. In 0 1, it will again be 0, and 1 0 0 1 1, it will be 1. So when both the input switches will be on, it means A will be 1 and B will be 1, means both switches will be closed, and then output will be 1. So similarly, in case of PLC, we represent various gates by A and B, and similarly for output symbol Y or C. So this is the method to represent PLC programming of AND gate. In this, if we want to control any device by two switches, that if both the switches will be controlled, will be on, then and then only the device will be the output device will be on. So in this way we can use an AND gate. Similarly, we can do OR gate programming also in PLC. We have suppose two inputs A and B and output. The output will be on when any one of the input A or B or both inputs A and B are on, then and then output device will be on. In case any one of the input is if both the inputs are 0, means both are in off condition, then there will be no output. In that case, we will be using OR gate for the programming purpose. So the next gate is your inverter, or that is also called NOT gate. So in electrical circuit, we know we want to represent a switch, we want to control a switch that is normally closed. So in that case, we can use inverter. So we know in inverter we have only one input. When there is an input to the switch, it opens and there is no current in the circuit. When there is an input to the input A, it opens and then there will be no output. So this type of circuit is called NOT gate. So here you can see if input is 0, output will be 1. If input is 1, output will be 0. To represent the NOT gate, we can use this logic. So this is normally closed switch we are using here. So in that case, it can it can work as a NOT gate. Now suppose we want to program PLC, do PLC programming using NAND gate. Then we know NAND gate is a combination of AND and NOT gate. So and the output of NAND gate will be 1 if any input is 0 or both input is 0, and it will be 0 when both the inputs are on. So it works opposite to the AND gate. To represent NAND gate, we use this logic for PLC. This is called wiring diagram of PLC. We will be having two inputs. It is I1 is your module, and in this we are using two inputs 0 0 and 0 1. On that we have connected two switches. So these both switches are in normally closed position and they are connected just like in parallel. Now this circuit will work as to input NAND gate and it will work in this way. Similarly, for programming NOR gate, you have combination of NOR and NOT gate. In that case, you will be having two switches in series here that will be normally closed position, and there will be one output. So in this way you can represent your NOR gate programming you can do in case of PLC. For programming exclusive OR operation, you need to input exclusive OR operation. We know in this case, if both the inputs are same, they are either 0 0 or they are either 1, then and then output will be 0. Otherwise, if any one of the in case of dissimilar inputs 0 1 or 1 0, they both are dissimilar, the output will be 1. Now to represent such type of function, PLC is programmed like this. So we know the equation of XOR gate is AB bar plus A bar B. So this operation is represented by here input A and B, and similarly input A normally closed and input B normally open switch, and they will be connected in parallel like this. Similarly, two input XNOR gate can be represented by, we know the equation for XNOR gate is here AB plus A bar B bar. So in this case we will be having two normally closed switch here and two normally open switch, and they will be connected in parallel to represent their OR operation.